In the next step, we're going to remove 4 screws that are on our chiller. Now we're using an older chiller. The chiller you will have is probably going to be a pitch black, nice color. This one is a few years old and it is working beautifully still. So we're removing just the screws. These screws you're going to throw away. They're going to be trashed. Okay, done. Okay, this next step should be a team lift. Basically, we're going to take the filtration system and put it on top of the chiller. You're going to put it so it's front justified. You're going to put it all the way to the edge, to the front. Okay? Awesome. In the next step, you need these brackets and the screws that came with them. Essentially, you will align the bracket like so and attach the screws in these 4 positions. We're going to do that next. So basically, you just line them up. While we're on this side, you will notice it says push, and when you push it, it's releasing a tray. This tray will help capture any condensation or any water leaks on the inside of the filtration system. So it's a huge improvement for all of our customers who are placing this indoors. I'm going to repeat this process on the other side.